Amazon forest. The Amazon forest, often referred to the Amazon, is a vast and diverse tropical rainforest located primarily in South America. It spans across several countries including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering an area of approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles. The Amazon rainforest is renowned for its incredible biodiversity, containing an estimated 390 billion individual trees representing over 16,000 species. It is home to numerous plant and animal species